Imagine this. Archaeologists venture deep into a cave in South Africa. Inside lie the skeletons of ancient humans, more than 300,000 years old. But after careful examination, they uncover a truth no one could have anticipated. Every single skeleton they have studied belonged to a woman, not a single man among them. Is this merely a coincidence? Or does it hide a secret about our ancient ancestors? Who is Homo naledi? Before we can unravel this mystery, we must first get to know the owners of these skeletons. Homo naledi is an ancient human species first discovered in 2013, inside the Rising Star cave system in South Africa. They stood roughly 145 centimeters tall, with a brain only about one-third the size of modern humans. Yet they walked upright on two legs, possessed hands very similar to ours, and had teeth far more modern than scientists had ever expected. Most strikingly, despite their small brains, they may have displayed far more complex behaviors than anyone once believed possible. Why has this news made such a stir? Previously, scientists tried to determine whether a skeleton belonged to a male or female by looking at how large the bones were. But this method was prone to significant error. The latest research uses proteins found in tooth enamel, which can detect whether proteins from the Y chromosome are present. If they are, the individual is male. Yet the results showed that not a single Y chromosome protein was found in any of the teeth tested. This means every single one was biologically female. Why is this discovery so shocking? At archaeological sites around the world, remains of both males and females are always found together. But this cave contains not a single male, something that has never been seen before, not even among other human relatives. What hypotheses have scientists put forward to explain this? What hypotheses have scientists proposed? Theory 1. This could have been a burial site reserved exclusively for women. If true, it would mean Homo naledi may have practiced gender-segregated rituals, an extremely complex behavior for a species with such small brains. However, there is still no evidence to confirm this. Theory 2. The males may have been buried elsewhere, and scientists simply have not found them yet. This is currently the most plausible explanation. Theory 3. It could simply be a coincidence in the sample discovered. Even though more than 20 individuals have been found, they still represent only one group. If other caves are excavated, males might well be uncovered there. Theory 4. It may stem from limitations in the testing method. While the protein analysis is highly accurate, researchers acknowledge that theoretically, there could be mutations in Y chromosome genes that make them undetectable. However, the chance that every single individual would have the exact same mutation is extremely low. How has this shifted scientists' understanding? Homo naledi has surprised us time and again, from their far more recent age than expected, to the fact they lived alongside modern humans, and the suggestion that they may have deliberately placed their dead deep in caves. While the question of intentional burial remains fiercely debated among experts, with studies both supporting and challenging the idea, it has not yet been established as fact. Every time we think we are beginning to understand our past, Homo naledi raises new questions. Why does this cave hold only females? Is it ritual, a gender-exclusive resting place, or just a coincidence we cannot yet explain? To this day, scientists still have no answer.